Destiny 2's in-game event right now is the Festival of the Lost, and we're going to start doing some of the recipes from the Destiny 2 cookbook, and specifically the Festival of the Lost area. So we're going to start with the tortilla chicken soup. Right here, tortilla chicken soup. Wow. If you want to pause it here, if you want to read the lore, there you go. A list of ingredients. This is not everything that I'm going to put on the table, but I'm going to put everything in the frame right here, at least for the soup section of it, what you're going to need. So the first thing what we're going to do is actually going to start cooking the chicken. I don't feel like cooking a whole chicken like they say in the Destiny 2 cookbook, so I just got chicken breasts with ribs. The chicken breasts with ribs and skins, they produce a little bit of better flavor when you boil it, when you make the chicken broth that way. So we're going to start doing that now. So I filled up my pot full of water, and once I get it to a boil, I'll throw in the chicken in there, and I have it boil for about an hour and a half. You don't have to boil a chicken like I do. I'm only boiling the chicken because it's more convenient since I'm already going to be making or utilizing that chicken breast. So yes, that's how I'm cooking it, but honestly, you can just get some store-bought chicken broth, and you can honestly just cook the chicken however you want, but it just has to be chicken breast, and you have to shred it at the end. So this has been on for about like an hour now, so it should be getting there. I'm gonna test the temperature, make sure it reaches the appropriate temperature to cook chicken. All right, so I get a yellow onion and I put it in a baking sheet. So there you go. I get 2 stalks of celery, roughly chop it up, throw it in there too. 2 small tomatillos, but I honestly 1 large one will be fine. I also throw this in the broiler for about probably like 15 minutes. It gets a little charred. And I throw everything in a blender with 4 cloves of garlic. Got the ancho chilies right there. I throw that in there too. I do the seeds because I like it spicy. 2 corn tortillas. We got that in there. And we blend it up until it gets nice and this consistency. Throw it in the pot. And I also throw the 2 quarts of chicken broth with it. I also add all my seasonings as well, and I get it to simmer. Okay, we just shredded all the chicken. Now we're gonna start putting in this the southwest corn and the black beans in here, and then we're gonna transfer it in here for our final, I guess, assembly for the soup. After combining the corn and the beans and the meat or the chicken, this is what we got. Hopefully we're gonna keep this on for a little bit longer once it starts simmering. We'll keep it on there for about like a half an hour. Hopefully the levels will reduce a little bit because we definitely got a lot of liquid in there. Here's the assembly line. Here's the toppings I chose. Did cabbage instead of doing the radishes, but everything else is pretty much the same. And this is some extra salsa. There we go. All right, now we can get to the assembly. We get a corn tortilla, put it at the bottom.
You don't have to cook it?
Nope, just put it at the bottom. Next, you want to put the soup on top. You add salsa if you want. Add some more salsa to the top. Some cilantro. I have cilantro and green onion here. A little mix. I got sour cream. Some cabbage. And you can top it off with queso fresco if you want to as well. I forgot you can put tortilla chips.